images of the new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Flip 3 have just been leaked. Both terminals have been shown almost entirely and would arrive with interesting changes on the outside. After many leaks of dubious origin and with low-resolution images, we are finally facing the first photographs of the new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Samsung Galaxy Flip 3. Both devices have seen the light of the hand of the filter par excellence. Evan Blasdotti has been the one who has published on Twitter photos of the products that seem taken from the official Samsung website. These devices belong to Samsung's line of folding equipment and are one of the most anticipated launches of the year. This is why rumors run like wildfire and details of these teams have been seen in recent weeks, although it is always acceptable to remember that they are still speculations and that we must wait for official confirmation from Samsung. The images that have been leaked show a design that continues what was started with the first Galaxy Z Fold and Galaxy Flip, but that improves with each passing generation. The largest and in tablet format would be the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. This would have the classic fold in the central part and with a rear camera module placed vertically. In addition, the sensors shown seem to be large. The photograph also includes a pencil that looks like an S Pen. This would indicate or suggest that the new Galaxy Z Fold 3 would arrive with compatibility for this accessory. This would be a success as it would increase the possibilities in terms of productivity. The Samsung Galaxy Flip 3 is not shown unfolded, so we cannot get a clear idea of the supposed screen it would have. Although it is true that it would keep the horizontal fold format. And, despite not being shown in its entirety, it does reveal half of the external part, and with it a first look at the small screen that is used for notifications. This time that screen seems to have grown in width, allowing you to see two lines of text at the same time. In addition, a dual rear camera is also shown. Samsung has not commented on this leak, so this design may not be the end. But the truth is that, when a filtration has such quality and is so clear, there is usually always something of truth. Of course, what we have to do is wait until the presentation date to get to know both models in depth. The latest rumor suggests that the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 would arrive without a physical keypad, and this could be a strange move for the company. The arrival of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 is imminent. The renewal of Samsung's best-known folding always generates expectation. In recent weeks, the leaks and rumors have not stopped. Much is expected of this terminal, and knowing all its characteristics is something that brings many users head-to-head. The capacitive buttons would be located on the side frames of the terminal, in the same position as some physical buttons, but the interaction with them would be different. Instead of pressing and waiting for a physical response, the classic click, we would communicate with the terminal through the use of gestures. These gestures would be quite typical, such as swiping up to increase the volume or down to decrease it. The truth is that the physical buttons work extremely well, and it would be strange to see a company bet only on touch gestures. In addition, it must be taken into account that these gestures depend on the terminal being turned on, so it would be necessary to include at least one physical button. At the moment, this is still a rumor and we hope it stays at that. It is also true that the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 is just around the corner and may come with something more striking than a folding screen. The only thing we can do is wait for the official presentation to know all the details and specifications firsthand.